Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Cram. I am Sir Marky's AI assistant. Today, we're going to break down the top 10 proven strategies to prepare for and pass your entrance exam effectively. These tips are designed to help you study smarter, not harder, and ensure you walk into your exam feeling confident and well prepared. So, grab your notebook and let's get started with these essential study tips. Tip number 1, understand the exam format and requirements. Understanding the format and requirements of your entrance exam is a crucial first step. Knowing what types of questions you will face, such as multiple choice, essays, or practical tasks, helps tailor your study approach. This preparation is essential for creating an effective study plan. For example, if your exam includes multiple choice questions, focus on practicing with similar questions to enhance your test-taking strategies. Visiting the official exam website provides detailed guides and sample questions, which are invaluable. Additionally, talking to people who have previously taken the exam can offer unique insights and tips that aren't in the official guides. This early understanding allows you to concentrate your efforts where they're needed most and avoid surprises on exam day. By being well prepared and informed, you reduce anxiety and increase your confidence, setting yourself up for success on exam day. Tip number 2, create a study plan. Creating a study plan is essential for effective exam preparation. A well-structured plan acts as your roadmap, guiding you through what needs to be covered and when. Start by listing all the subjects and topics you need to review, then allocate specific times for each, based on when you're most productive. This helps prevent last-minute cramming and ensures comprehensive coverage of all material. For example, if you're sharpest in the morning, schedule your toughest subjects like math or science during those hours. Including regular review sessions and short breaks is crucial for maintaining focus and retention. By being flexible and adjusting your plan as needed, you can spend extra time on challenging topics without feeling overwhelmed. A detailed study plan not only keeps you organized, but also reduces stress, boosts confidence, and maximizes your efficiency, making you well prepared for exam day. Tip number 3, use quality study materials. Using quality study materials is crucial for effective exam preparation. High-quality resources provide accurate information and realistic practice questions that mirror the actual exam. This ensures you're studying the right content and understanding it deeply. For instance, official prep books, reputable online courses, and comprehensive study guides are great starting points. They offer structured content and practice tests that help you familiarize yourself with the exam format. For example, if you're studying for a medical entrance exam, using official resources can provide you with practice questions that closely resemble the real thing. Investing in these materials can make a big difference in your understanding and retention of the subject matter. Moreover, practicing with these materials helps identify your strengths and weaknesses, allowing you to focus on areas needing improvement. Using the best study materials ensures thorough preparation, increasing your confidence and chances of success on exam day. Tip number 4, focus on weak areas. Identifying and focusing on your weak areas is a key strategy for passing an entrance exam. It's easy to fall into the trap of reviewing material you're already comfortable with, but real progress comes from addressing your weaknesses. This approach helps you build a solid foundation and boosts your overall performance. For example, if you struggle with math, dedicate extra time each week to practice problem solving and reviewing concepts. Use resources like tutorial videos, practice problems, and study groups to improve these areas. Additionally, regular self-assessment through quizzes or practice tests can help pinpoint specific topics that need more attention. By focusing on your weak spots, you can transform them into strengths, leading to a more balanced and confident approach to the exam. This targeted preparation not only enhances your knowledge, but also reduces anxiety, knowing you've tackled your most challenging subjects head-on. Tip 5, practice under exam conditions. Practicing under exam conditions is a crucial step in your preparation process. Simulating the test environment helps you get used to the pressure and time constraints you'll face on the actual exam day. This method also improves your time management skills, ensuring you can complete all sections within the allotted time. Set up a quiet space at home, gather all necessary materials, and use a timer to mimic the exam scenario. Take full-length practice tests to get a feel for the pacing and types of questions. After each practice test, review your answers to understand where you made mistakes and how you can improve. This practice helps you become familiar with the exam format and reduces test anxiety. Regularly practicing under real exam conditions boosts your confidence, making you more comfortable and better prepared to tackle the actual exam. Before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel and helps others find our content. Also, click subscribe and the bell icon so you don't miss out on more useful guides like this. Now, let's get back to the tips. Tip number 6, take care of your health. Taking care of your health is essential for effective exam preparation. Good physical and mental health boosts your brain function and overall performance. Prioritize getting 7-8 hours of sleep each night, especially during your study period, as sleep is crucial for memory consolidation. Eating balanced meals rich in nutrients like fish, nuts, and fruits can enhance brain function. For example, incorporating foods such as salmon, walnuts, and blueberries into your diet can improve concentration and memory. Staying hydrated is equally important. Keep a water bottle at your desk and set reminders to drink regularly. Additionally, regular exercise, even a quick 20-minute walk, can improve mental clarity and reduce stress. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you'll find that you can study more effectively, retain information better, and approach your exam with a clearer, more focused mind. Taking care of your health ultimately leads to better exam performance and reduced stress levels. Tip number 7. Join study groups. Joining study groups can significantly enhance your learning experience and preparation for an entrance exam. Collaborating with peers allows you to gain new insights and understand different perspectives on complex topics. Study groups also provide motivation and support, making the preparation process less isolating. For example, set up a regular meeting schedule with a few classmates who are equally motivated. Each member can take turns explaining different topics, reinforcing the material for the speaker, and clarifying points for the listeners. Additionally, discussing and solving problems together can uncover gaps in your knowledge that you might not have noticed studying alone. This collective effort helps in covering more material efficiently. By being part of a study group, you also benefit from shared resources and study materials. Working together not only improves your understanding, but also builds confidence, knowing that you have prepared thoroughly with the help of your peers. Tip number 8. Use active learning techniques. Using active learning techniques can greatly improve your retention and understanding of the material. Simply reading your notes isn't enough. You need to engage deeply with the content. This means summarizing key points, creating mind maps, using flashcards, or teaching the material to someone else. For example, after studying a chapter on biology, try summarizing the main concepts on a whiteboard as if you were teaching a class. This method helps solidify your knowledge and identify any gaps in your understanding. Additionally, forming a study group where each member teaches a particular topic can be highly effective. Teaching forces you to process and articulate the information clearly, reinforcing your own understanding. Remember, the more actively you engage with the material, the better you will understand and remember it. Active learning makes your study sessions more effective and prepares you thoroughly for the exam. Tip 9. Take regular breaks. Taking regular breaks is essential for maintaining your mental stamina and focus during long study sessions. The Pomodoro technique is a great method to follow. Study intensively for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. These short breaks help your brain rest and reset, making it easier to maintain concentration over longer periods. During your break, avoid digital screens and engage in activities like stretching, taking a walk, or having a healthy snack. This helps to clear your mind and reduce eye strain from continuous reading or screen time. Make sure your breaks are truly restorative. Use them to step away from your study materials completely. Consistently integrating breaks into your study routine not only boosts productivity, but also prevents burnout, keeping you mentally fresh and ready to tackle the next study session. By taking regular breaks, you ensure that your study time is effective and sustainable. Tip number 10. Review regularly. Regular review is the cornerstone of effective exam preparation. It's crucial to revisit the material multiple times to move information from your short-term to long-term memory. This means after you learn something new, you should review it the next day to reinforce the learning. Continue to review weekly until the exam to ensure the material is deeply embedded in your memory. For example, if you learn a new mathematical formula, apply it in different problem sets over the next few days, and then consistently use it in various scenarios leading up to the exam. This ongoing practice solidifies your understanding and makes retrieval much more natural during the test. Regular review not only helps you maintain knowledge, but also reduces the anxiety of having to cram at the last minute. Make this a part of your study habit, and you'll find that preparing for exams becomes less stressful and more successful. We hope you found these strategies helpful and that they make your study sessions more effective. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more study tips and exam strategies. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your exams. You've got this!